Aurora Laundry Dispenser is the newest generation in laundry dispensing technology from DEMA. Aurora enters the smart device connection and control era with a forward-thinking program using Bluetooth technology for iPhone, iPad, Android devices, and PC integration. Use your smart device to write and store programs, get service reports, and access data from the Aurora Pro-Access interface module. The Pro-Access controls up to 8 pump stands and locally stores programs, wash data, service notes, and reminders. Aurora blends smart device-capable technology with the best features of DEMA's legacy dispensers, such as quick change pumps and durable pump gear motors. The Aurora is a robust and growing laundry dispenser. We are working on further innovations such as multi-machine dispenser that uses up to 4 laundry machines. Second, pump expansion module, add up to 4 pumps and sensor technology for pump calibration, proof of flow, and delivery. Third, remote access and monitoring, programming, reporting, text alerts, and more. The Aurora you are using now will be ready to go when these new innovations come out due to upgradable technology. So contact Robert Barngrover to get started on this new exciting laundry dispensing program.